Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some method to fix the connection lost and login queue failed error on Rumbleverse game. The first method you should do is to check the server status, to make sure the problem is not out of your control. To do that, first, go to the official Rumbleverse Twitter page, then see if there are any announcements about maintenance periods and server issues. Next, if you're playing on PlayStation or Xbox platforms, visit their status site to see if there are any issues. If the investigation reveals Rumbleverse or PlayStation or Xbox server issues, what you can do now is wait until the problem is fixed. Otherwise, go to the second method. Rebooting your device. This is the simplest, traditional method that fixes a lot of bugs, across many games, and can be used on any platform. After the reboot, if the problem is still there, then the next thing you should do is verify files. To do that, open Epic Game Launcher, then navigate to Library. Next, right-click on Rumbleverse, then select Manage. Click on Verify. After the verify is done, relaunch Rumbleverse and see if the issue has been fixed. Method 4. Clear DNS Cache. Press Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as Administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Final, restart your PC and relaunch Rumbleverse and check error is fixed or not. Method 5. Change another DNS. DNS or domain name system is basically a database of IP addresses. If you're having some issues while using the internet or facing internet lag in some online games, specifically here, connection lost, or login failed, on Rumbleverse, try changing your DNS, and hopefully, it will get resolved. Depending on the platform you are using, the way to change DNS will be different. Here I am changing DNS on a Windows computer. Method 6. Turn off third-party antivirus software. The error might be caused due to your overprotective security suite or antivirus. It might be blocking your game from being launched and thus causing the connection lost error. Hence, turn off your antivirus and then relaunch the game. Check whether or not the error has stopped now. Method 7. Reset network settings. Do the same on the platform you are using. On Windows PC, go to Settings. Navigate to Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now, then follow the on-screen instructions. The next thing you should do is make sure the system you are using is always up to date. Method 9. Power cycle your router. Go to where your router is located. After that, locate the power cable of your router and unplug it for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, plug back in the power cable of your router to turn it on again. After restarting your router, try to launching Rumbleverse to check if the issue would still occur on your device. After rebooting your router but the error still persists, please proceed to uninstall, then reinstall Rumbleverse on another drive. Finally, for Windows users, make sure you are using the latest version of Visual C++. To do that, go to this website, then download the latest version and install it.